Hello everyone. Today we make a video chat application using ZegoCloud API and their SDK. So first you come to the ZegoCloud website. In this website, you see, we can build a real-time apps with voice, video, and chat API with real-time SDKs. Okay. So you come to the website. Like you see the website, they have all types of SDK and API are available. So you can make any type of video related, chat related application fast using the ZegoCloud API. You don't need to write so much code. You directly use their pre-built code and make our websites in less than 10 minutes. So we start building. Now we sign up with Google. Now we create a project. Okay, we click on create a project. Then we select which type of case our AP made. So we made a voice and video call. Okay, so we already selected voice and video call. Then next, then we give a project name. Okay, so in this project name we give name video chat web app. Now there is a two option. First is custom SDK and now start UI kit. Now ZegoCloud provide a UI kit. We can directly click on the UI kit and we directly take the front end code also. Like we have API also available, or directly the front end code we copy and directly paste in our React application, and directly like our website is pre-built. We directly copy paste the code and make our website less time. Now the project is creating. Now we click on start building our app. Now we have to select how we make. So I select web. Then you can select all the things like microphone, camera, all things we are like what we use. So we select everything. Now we click on save and start to integrate. Okay, you read the notes. Now the demo is initialized to give a preview how our website look after the with the UI kit and the ZegoCloud APIs. First we go to dashboard. Now we have complete setup from ZegoCloud is done. Now we configure this app with our React code. Okay, so we go to view guide and then click on web.js. Okay, this is documentation how to integrate. So integrate using npm package manager. So we have to install the ZegoCloud SDK UI kit with pre-built APIs and pre-built UI kit also. So we create a project. We give the same name video chat web. Okay, now we open with VS Code. Now first we create a React project. So we write command npm create with @latest. Okay, inside the video chat web app folder only, and we click yes. Then we click tab with the same name. Then we select React, then JavaScript, then no, then npm packet yes. Now the installing the dependency of the our npm packages. Now we copy this SDK also link to install in our React project, or this is the code we have to paste in our React web app. Okay, so now our project setup is done and the localhost link also come. So we check one, it's working. Okay, our React setup is done. Now we go to our Now we install the ZegoCloud in this, and the ZegoCloud setup SDK also installed in our React app. Now we app.jsx files, we can remove all the code and we directly paste this code. Okay, so we copy this code and paste this code. Okay, like you can do so much like different things using, but I am just for the tutorial, so I just directly copy this thing. Like you can create our like full custom finance and many things, but this is like only demo video. Okay, how do you use the ZegoCloud UI kit? So that's why you directly just copy the m.jpg files and directly use them. In this you can do many changes if you change the code and all the things, change different components. So now we paste our this thing configuration. So we paste the app id and server secret. Generally if we deploy the project on the online, so we use .env, but we directly use, so we directly copy the server secret and directly use. Okay, now we our like react and the setup is like done, almost done. So we run our project again, npm run dev. Okay, and we remove all the css related to the react project, like using app.css file all the code, and index.css we remove all the css. Okay, now our project is working, you see. Now we give a permission allow. Now there is a, you see there is one room created, rw40ms. We join this room, or if you want to another room, you see then another link is there. In this link you can copy and share to another person, and they also access the join the video call. Okay, so you see this link is there. Now there is one more room is created. Okay, cw1fj. So I copy the personal link, we copy this link and join room. Okay, from another tab. So we join this and we copy this from another tab, or if you deploy the project, so you can another person also join and join the link. Okay, so you see now now I am on the only 1%, that's why you see. So you can another people join the video call and they also chat also. You see the message section like I friend hi. Okay, and the another person also can like see my message also and see me on video call also. So this type you can easily make a video chat application less than 10 minutes. Okay, so we now end the call, and this is the complete video. I help you to how you can use the ZegoCloud API and SDK to make a video chat application. Okay, so thank you for watching.